Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforex.com. This is Friday night, actually Saturday morning, 1:30 a.m. So I'm making this small video about the yen index chart, which I showed earlier, and like this one. Okay, basically, let me go back a little bit more on this one. And for example, here, right? So this is the one I made on 13th, and I said yen pair get weaker, sending all yen pairs to the upside. So the target was this area here, right? And to what happened to this chart is this. So we went there nice and clean, not all the way here, but it was 54, 52, and 127 and 1.618, all these Fibonacci numbers. So I said, okay, then maybe we're gonna make a turn from here. So this story ended here for long. Now what happened, I made another chart on 17 that this is the area 54, 52. We're gonna make a turn to the downside. This is the count, 1 2 3 4 5, and maybe we'll come down here, and doing so all yen pairs will be diving. So what happened to this chart so far by Friday was this: it came straight from there all the way down here. By doing that, what happened? All yen pairs supposed to be going down, right? Did they? The first question is set, and the second question was that what did I do in the meantime, right? From 17 to 24. So let's take a look on the yen pairs and yen trades only. I have so many other trades, but I'm just gonna show yen trades because of this strategy and this analysis, right, of yen index. So start watching this first. No, this is okay, this is the yen index. So let me just go here and start showing you. This is the chart here, and this is what happened to it. And what I did was this: euro yen on the 20th, Aussie yen short on the 20th, all yen pairs and all will be short. Just watch. New Zealand yen short 20, 3 trades on the 20th. Then comes 21st. This was the first trade. This is the second entry again. Aussie yen short, New Zealand yen short, second entry. Then pound yen short from all the way. This is for a reversal, so it is like a second degree of my setup. The second degree means the first degree is the one that you go short below the yellow line, and here this is the second one. It is from the top reversal. So this is also I teach in my webinar, but we take very less trades in using this strategy. On the 22nd now, again, New Zealand, that was the first entry, that was the second trade, that was third trade again. Because remember the yen pairs, I said all yen will be going down, doing so this one, right? From here to here, all yen pairs will be diving. So far, how many trades are you counting? Maybe 7, 8, 10 trades already, right? Keep watching. Euro yen on the 22nd, right? This was the first one, close up there, retrace, and then again gave me another entry here. Pound yen again, right? On the 22nd, 2nd January again. This was okay, 2nd January, and this is the trade. Which one is USD yen, right? And on the 23rd now, euro yen again. That was the first one. See how many all yen pairs I'm showing, all yen trades. Just keep watching. On the 23rd again, pound yen, that was the entry, that was the second entry here, right? That was the first one. Pound yen again on the 24th, right? 24th means Friday. It was going up again. The news came out here, and then pound started getting weaker, and that's what happened. Aussie yen again here. USD yen, that was the first entry, this is the second entry. And New Zealand again, that was the first, second, third, that's fourth entry on the fourth trade on this. Remember what I said here, that what's gonna happen, all yen pairs will be diving. All I had to do is just looking the pairs, the yen pairs, and look for the short setup by the book. All of them are by the book, nothing are like randomly taking. all the ones by the book. Few are only like the second degree, but all of them, like the yellow is below the black, yellow is below the red. This was the top one, this one, and you can see this one, right? You can see this one, all of them like that, right? So this is how the power of the analysis and this system. How many trades? Only yen pairs, only yen. And beside that, I had so many other pair trades, like let me show you real quick here. This is, for example, GN. Look, GN trade, big trade, right? On the 20th, I had also this one. And let me go. Before that was pound Aussie, right? And anything else? I mean, I had pound Aussie, pound USD, pound CAD, pound USD, all kind of trades, all kind of trades. Last week was the busy. See this pound CAD, how big it is, 115 trade. And this is pound Aussie again, right? And then you see here pound Nuzi. Look at that. Just look at the entries that this pair gave you going to the upside. This is how this system is, you know. And the pound CAD, this was the trade, and then this was a big one on the 22nd. All together was more than 30 trades last week. And I just showed you that yet only yen index, if only you concentrate on one single currency and know that this currency is going to go get strong or weak, right? And then all week long you can just, you know, hit that single currency with different pairs in that direction, either short or long, doesn't matter. All right, so this is how it is. If you want to learn the system and get a hold of it, go to my website, myforexmagicweb.com. Subscribe. Today is Saturday morning, so you still have 23 hours now. Saturday and then Sundays, you know, get the system, get the charts, set up your charts and start trading. Of course, you want to set up the charts and start trading on a demo account until you learn and become familiar, maybe a week or two, and then you're going to start live trading and do something like this. Okay. All right, so this is it for now. I'm gonna make another video, maybe not, I don't know. I'm very tired. I'm gonna go to sleep after this, and then maybe tomorrow morning, after 6-7 hours later, I'm gonna make another video about the whole analysis of the whole week and the upcoming setup. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.